The discovery of potential city lights by the James Webb Space Telescope has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, stirring debates and discussions about the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations. The James Webb Space Telescope's ability to detect faint light emissions, particularly in the infrared spectrum, allows it to observe objects and phenomena that previous telescopes couldn't. This discovery, if confirmed, would represent a monumental leap in humanity's quest to answer the question, are we alone in the universe? Some experts, like Dr. Thomas Green from NASA, are cautious yet excited about the findings. He notes that while the detected light could indicate artificial sources similar to Earth's city lights, it's still too early to draw conclusions. We have to be very careful in interpreting these signals. There's a chance that these light emissions could be natural phenomena we haven't encountered before, Green explained during a recent interview. His perspective is shared by many scientists who urge a rigorous analysis of the data before making bold claims about extraterrestrial life. Astronomer Elsa Ducrot, who has been involved in exoplanetary research, is more optimistic. She believes that the light patterns detected by the James Webb Space Telescope could indeed point to advanced civilizations. We are seeing something that doesn't match the usual cosmic signatures we've come to expect from stars or planets, Ducrot said. If these are city lights, it would suggest a level of technological development far beyond anything we've encountered. Ducrot's enthusiasm is palpable, but like her colleagues, she stresses the need for caution in making definitive conclusions. The scientific community is buzzing with speculation, with many researchers offering their takes on the implications of such a discovery. Astrophysicist Dr. Brian Cox, a prominent voice in public science discussions, weighed in, saying, if these city-like lights are indeed artificial, it changes everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. The implications are staggering. Dr. Cox's remarks have sparked widespread interest from both scientists and the general public. People are eager to understand the broader consequences of discovering intelligent life beyond Earth. Social media has been flooded with discussions, particularly on platforms like Reddit and YouTube, where enthusiasts have shared their excitement. One user commented, "This is the kind of discovery that can change the course of human history. Imagine what it would mean to know we aren't alone." Another remarked, "Even if it's not city lights, the fact that we're now capable of detecting such faint signals is a game-changer in itself." The public's reaction mirrors the scientific community's mix of excitement and caution. Renowned physicist Michio Kaku offered a more speculative view during a televised interview. He suggested that if the lights were indeed from an alien civilization, it could mean that humanity is closer than ever to making contact with intelligent extraterrestrial beings. This could be the first step toward understanding how advanced civilizations communicate or illuminate their cities, Kaku said. His theory has been met with intrigue, though some in the scientific community remain skeptical. One of the more skeptical voices comes from Dr. Sarah Seeger, an astrophysicist at MIT, who reminds us that there are other explanations for the light detected. It could be geological activity or other natural sources that mimic artificial light, Seeger argued. We need to explore all possibilities before jumping to conclusions about alien life. Her grounded approach has been well received by some who caution against letting excitement overshadow the need for thorough research. The detection has also sparked conversations about the limitations of current technology. Some scientists are calling for more advanced telescopes and instruments to further investigate these light emissions. Dr. David Kipping from Columbia University believes that while the James Webb Space Telescope has opened new doors, we need to be prepared to invest in even more sophisticated tools to confirm or refute these findings. Kipping's call for more resources highlights the challenges facing the scientific community as it grapples with unprecedented discoveries. Meanwhile, the philosophical implications of the potential discovery are being explored. Theologians and philosophers are weighing in on what it would mean for humanity's place in the universe if these lights are indeed from an alien civilization. This could redefine our understanding of life, purpose, and existence, said Dr. John Hott, a theologian. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars for answers. Discovering life beyond Earth could change the very fabric of our belief systems. This idea has resonated with many, who see this potential discovery as not just a scientific breakthrough but also a cultural and existential one. While the world waits for more conclusive data, some are already speculating on how such a discovery might affect global politics and economics. If intelligent life is confirmed, it could trigger a new space race, with countries vying to establish contact or partnerships with extraterrestrial civilizations. Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson has joked about this on his popular podcast, saying, "Imagine the political scramble to be the first country to make first contact. It would be like the space race all over again, but on a galactic scale." His humorous take reflects a growing curiosity about how governments might respond. Critics of the excitement surrounding the discovery argue that people are getting ahead of themselves. Dr. Lisa Kaltenegger from Cornell University emphasizes that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. "We've seen anomalies before that turned out to have natural explanations," she said. "We must remain grounded in science and not let our imaginations run wild until we have more data." Kaltenegger's cautionary stance is echoed by many who urge patience as scientists continue their investigations. Public fascination with the discovery has also revived interest in older scientific theories about the existence of extraterrestrial life. The Fermi paradox, which questions why we haven't encountered any signs of alien life despite the vastness of the universe, has been a topic of renewed discussion. "If these lights are real, it could offer an answer to the Fermi paradox," said Dr. Avi Loeb from Harvard University. "Perhaps advanced civilizations are out there, but we've simply lacked the technology to detect them until now." Loeb's comments reflect a growing sense that humanity might be on the cusp of solving one of the greatest mysteries in science. The potential discovery has also prompted questions about how humanity would handle such a revelation. Would we be prepared to engage with an alien civilization? What protocols would be in place? These are questions being asked by policymakers and scientists alike. "We've barely scratched the surface of space exploration, and yet we may be closer than ever to making contact," said Dr. Jill Tarter, co-founder of the SETI Institute. "It's a thrilling, but also daunting prospect." Tarter's words resonate with the excitement and uncertainty that many feel in light of these developments. For now, the world waits with bated breath as scientists continue to analyze the data from the James Webb Space Telescope. Whether these lights turn out to be from an alien civilization or a natural phenomenon, the discovery has already changed the conversation about space exploration and humanity's place in the cosmos.